guys, how are you? So today we're going to do one of the exciting boxes that you guys love, and I like somewhat because it's more on the skincare line that I get, and this is the only box that has more on the skin side than the other boxes that I get. So this one is BeautyFix, and this is all skin products, and the box is $24.95, and then you pay like $1.50 shipping and handling. That makes it come out to $26.45. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Okay, so it comes like this. It has like a little pamphlet. We're not gonna see it until later. And then it comes like that, all wrapped in orange. So you open it and you take that baggie out. And this month looks like lighter than other months. So let's see. I'm excited to see what it came with. So if you guys know more about the products, and I have had the other video, somebody left a comment, I think it was my Blessed Box, the holiday edition, I got the one. Somebody left a comment about the hair falling out, and I would love to listen to any comments that you have, because then I will research it, and if it's bad for your hair or if a lot of people had the same issue, then I'm not gonna use it, just because, you know, I don't want my hair to fall out or my eyelashes or who knows, like so just let me know. We're gonna go ahead and take the first thing out, and this one is all the Thermal Avenue, I don't know how you pronounce that, Avenue. And it's retin all 0.1 cream intensive cream, patented. It has retinaldehyde, relatide, and pre-tocopherol, exclusive to physician, wrinkle, loss of elasticity, and radiance. I am already liking it. I have this wrinkle that doesn't go away. It just bothers me a lot. You guys can see that? It's from because I'm always happy, or like always like surprised, and then that wrinkle and this one's but whatever. At the end we all have wrinkles, right? So it's hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, and it's from Paris. It's 30 milliliters, and let's see what this lotion or cream looks like. Wow, that's really nice. Look at it's probably like way smaller inside, because this is all like a plastic, and then inside it has like that little, you know, pouch that it's not the same size as you see, because 30 milliliters is not this big. And yeah, I'm gonna have to try that out and tell you guys about it. I don't know in how long it actually says that you're gonna see a difference. So it says that's in French. Yeah, that's in French. So it has warnings. Directions of use: apply to the face and neck in the evening or as directed by your physician. Fragrance free, paraben free. So nice. It has a little, let's see how this comes out. It's weird. Oh, you have to click it there, like turn it, and then it comes out. Oh wow, it has a weird color. You guys see that? It's yellowish, but yeah, has no smell, so that's awesome. And it feels hydrating. That is hydrating my skin. So I'll have to see more about that later. Sometimes this things is like, oh yeah, you get a sample, but are you gonna use it and you're gonna see a difference? Not really. You have to use it for a while before you do see a difference. And yeah, let's go ahead with the next product. So this is Get Glowing Lightweight Cream Highlighter. Instant illuminates and lifts eye, cheeks, and brow bones. Why we love it. It's blendable, and I just don't see a sample. Let me go and figure where the sample is. So I think it's this one. No. I mean, I'm so confused when it comes to this. It's like, where is the sample? Is that the sample? Yeah, that's the only thing I don't know what they mean. Maybe it's this one. Highlighter tiara. Yeah, so this little thing is supposed to be here attached, but I guess like it keeps on falling out. And I have heard of Jouer before. It's a highlighter in this instance. Oh, and it's creamy. So, I mean, so it comes like that. And it's creamy. Let's put it right here. Well, at least it looks like a highlighter. I put a really small dab of it in my pinky. And as you can see, it's right there. So it's not bad. It's just a sample, and it's a highlighter in tiara. So it's shimmering gold. It's the best seller. The full size is $22. It's not that bad. But yeah, it's just a sample. This one, the Avigny, is actually the full size. It looks like. Let's see, next thing. Shower sheets. Large body wipe instantly. Cleanses and refreshes and deodorizes. So I'm thinking this is to use outside the shower, and then you just clean your body with it. It says shower sheets. No time, no shower, no worries. Tear open this oversized, super soft, moist wipe to instantly cleanse and refresh every inch of your skin. Perfect for yoga, workout, surfing, hiking, camping, travel, festival going. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how I feel about wiping myself. And I mean, how big is this thing supposed to be, like, for the whole body? Like I don't know. I mean, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but yeah, maybe for my baby. I don't know. Let's see the next thing. We have the Lip Quench Original and Derm Store. This is the actual Derm Store. And it just says the ingredients on the back, but yeah, it doesn't say anything else. Probably it's like hydrating for the lips, but we're gonna find out what it's that in a little bit when I read the card over. Then we have the Skin & Co. From Roma Truffle Therapy Boosting Anti-Aging Facial Serum, and it's made in Italy. I really like this one. I have had it before. It's a very small sample. Through the light you can only see this much fill. So yeah, but it's probably very expensive, and that's why. So it says on the back it's not for resale, it's from Italy, and it's a serum. So let's see how that is. Let's see, the next one is Kin Medica Dermal Repair Cream, and it's for moisture. This ultra rich cream intensely hydrates and replenishes moisture to dry skin with high levels of lipid soluble antioxidant vitamin C and E. So you have to apply twice daily to face and neck and décolleté. Yeah. So it's this little sample that is 3.7 grams or 0.13 ounces. So it's very, very small. Right there. And the last thing, the last thing here is this thing. It's called Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist. Spray Voluminizador. So that one is in French, I think. This one is Miracle Multiplying Volume and Mist, and this multitasker styler develops instant and long-lasting root to tip volume. Why is it that all the boxes that I have gotten lately have some kind of like volumizing something? Like, do they know that I have like very thin hair? But I really don't like volume. I don't like it. I mean, many people, like, when the older you get, you do want more volume around your face, but I don't like it. I prefer flat, very thin hair, like slick kind of hair. But yeah, this looks good. I really would prefer something for my skin though. other than my hair. But it's very nice little bottle. It's like little purple, see-through. It's cute. So yeah, let's go into the little pamphlet that came. So BeautyFix exclusive. Love what is in your BeautyFix. Check out more products and at the dermstore.com and save 20%. So they give you a little coupon that ends on January 31st of 2017. Yeah, enter code to redeem, which is weird because we are in 2018. So but if you guys want to check it out, right there is the code. So if you want to go to dermstore.com and save 20%, you put Winter Wonder. So let's see. The first thing that they are talking about is Skin Medica, the dermal repair cream. You know these pesky dry patches on your face that seem to make their appearances this time of year? No. Repair your skin with this all-in-one moisturizing treatment. Plus, this powerful antioxidant cocktail helps brighten, tighten, and lift your skin. A must-have in the winter skin care arsenal. The thing is, in Florida, it's never like cold. Maybe like one day out of like the whole 3 months of being cold. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna try it on that day next year. So we have the Uni, which is the shower sheet. Yeah. Whenever you're about to snuggle in after a long day or having to rinse and shine a brisk morning, we know that in between stage of getting out of bed and into clothes can feel like longer winter. This cleansing shower sheet, yes, we say shower sheet, will have you fresh in a flash. Isn't technology wonderful? Yeah. I don't think that's that wonderful. It's too small. Let's see the next one. This one is the Lip Quench Dermastore, moisturizing, softening, and making your lips also kissable with a touch of shimmer. There's a reason why this lippy is Dermastore customer favorite. Soybean, olive, and sweet almond oils smooth dry and chapped lips and provide lasting comfort, making an effort essential for this season. So yes, this one I want to open, but I know that I'm using one right now that I actually got in this box before, and yeah, I'm not gonna open another one just because. So I'm gonna test it out later on. We have the Skin & Co. Roma, the serum from Italy, was it? Yeah, it was Italian. Luxurious truffle, making everything better, and its serum is no exception, with an advanced antioxidant-rich formula and truffle extract. It works beyond the surface layers of the skin to restore youthful, radiant complex. Achieve an enviable winter glow with this beautiful essential. Let's see the last three things. So winter is here, but there's something more magical about the start of a new year. We are loving the light cozy sweaters coupled with a natural flash of crisp air to make your wintry wonderment just what more special. We curated a beauty sprinkling of hydrating and glow. Pamper, perfect to radiate your inner light and season in and out. The next product is the Aveni. So a natural healthy glow starts with treating your skin, and during the winter months, this anti-aging treatment plumps and fills fine lines and brightens skin tone without irritating. Its secret ingredient is retinol substitute that visible, effective, and formulated for all skin types. Nice. So next one, Alterna. It says caviar, so okay, the brand is right under here. While you're refreshing your skin regimen with glow boosting essential, it's often easy to forget another equally important piece of care: the hair. The element can make your locks look a little luster. This top-rated multitasking treatment mist nourishes and volumizes your strands to a style-ready finish. We're gonna have to see about that. Jewelry Cosmetics and the highlighter and tiara to top off the glow that you're radiating from between. Reach from this creamy highlighter, soft to the touch with reflective shimmers of gold and champagne. Its beautiful complements all skin tones. Even better, botanical antioxidants are built in to help boost a radiant, healthy glow. Yes, that was a lot of reading, guys. So, but if you want to see, here's all the reading that I did. Hopefully it didn't take that long because I get bored of reading myself. So right there. And if you have any questions about any of the products and if you want to see any being reviewed, just let me know in the comments below and I will review them very soon according to whatever you guys want. So bye guys, enjoy your day.